Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of not sending verification code on the application of Twitch. We will go to settings here as you see and you will enter. Then in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Twitch and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to this window of permissions and you will enter. Here in this page, you will check if all these permissions are allowed, especially this permission of notifications. In the first you will find it like this, but you should to click here to turn on notifications as you see here in this page. Then you will go to force stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache and in the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Twitch and you will click here. Then in this page, if you find update in this blue sign, of course you will update your app, but if all these steps not working with you, then you should to uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.